Good day, 8th grade friends. It is me, HLModTech, and we're back with our midweek update for Michigan Virtual Math. So, my friends, let's get cracking. First things first, I want to remind you that down here in the teacher feed is where I'm going to be posting these next videos. I'm leaving comments on, so you can actually leave comments underneath them if you've got a question or you just want to say something about the video. Over here, we're going to click that start here. And last week, we completed the number line. If I hit launch unit, it picks up right where we left off. And after the quiz on number line, it's time to go to 1.2, the exponent rules. I want my screen larger, so I'm just going to hit this little X, and that way I've got the full version. And then I really want to make this quick, but friends, what I'm going to say again. Start by getting out some scrap paper, have your pencil, have your tools ready as you read through all of this learning. The actual steps you're learning here, I am learning them as well because I haven't taught this in 20 years. You need to read through and do all the activities in this lesson, making sure that you understand the goals so when you're done you can be assessed correctly. So right now we know we're learning exponent rules. This is only part 1. There are gonna be 8 screens. You can always check this here. If you hit the video gallery, let's peek quickly. You can see that the system has the exponent rules and everything right here at the top. There is a filter system. I can't seem to get this to work. It would be awesome to see if you guys could make it actually switch when you click on the different items. But these are the exponent tips, and you can use them whenever you need. Let's check out our objectives really quick. We can use the zero exponent property, the product property, and the quotient property to simplify powers, and I can create equivalent expressions using properties of exponents. That's what we're going to learn, and now it's time to just simply work through all the lessons. When you finally get to page 8, which you can see I just skipped to, notice they talk about your vocabulary. Those are things you can write on your notes as well. They give you the summary, and don't forget the lesson review guide. These are pieces you can print so that you can use them as you work through the assessments. Of course, also you can add notes using your Cornell notes, and you can post questions back on the class discussion board that either I or maybe even another student can help us get to where we need to be in these lessons. Friends, I need this lesson completed as soon as possible, and if you know anybody that hasn't quite joined the course yet, get them in so we can all get moving at a pace that is a little more zippy. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.